Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving to everybody that celebrated our happy holidays. I'm at work currently and I'm about to get ready to start making this Thanksgiving dinner for my clients. And I want to talk about how to heal from emotional baggage really quickly, because I'm finding that I do my due diligence for myself. I have a connection with the Most High. I don't drink, don't smoke, not in willing sin, not out here committing adultery or fornicating or anything like that. So the devil try to find other little ways to try to trick me, try to get under my skin and rub me the wrong way. He sends people into my life. When the devil know he can't get you to self-sabotage yourself, he sends his agents, he sends his little agent Smiths to try to wreak havoc in your life. And they can't just come straight out and just piss you off. They do things like not take responsibility for their job. You know, they don't take ownership or accountability for their role. People are not just going to come out and just blatantly just disrespect you. What they're going to do is drop the ball and then deny that this was even their responsibility or something like that. And ultimately, it can end up affecting you. Something where they're not holding up their end of the bargain and you holding up your end of the bargain and then some. You come in on time, you pick up shifts when needed. You're always the go-to person to get X, Y, and Z done. But for some reason, they don't acknowledge that. They just overlook that and they want to cause a problem for you. So that's what I had dealt with this in November. But now I'm just really, I have no words for these people, because clearly Satan is using them because they have their own issues to work on, that they're not resolving their own issues and their own personal life. And that's the one thing about jobs and being professional, that it doesn't matter what you have going on in your personal life. You're supposed to come to work and be professional and do your job. Like, I could tell if you know, if you just stressed out and you tired of working, then take a break, but don't take your frustration and your anger out on me. Anyway, I'm about to show you all what I'm about to get ready to cook. So this is the Thanksgiving box. This is the Thanksgiving meal for dinner. Since my manager is not talking to me, I'm not talking to him. So we got the pumpkin pie. I'm gonna sit that out over here. See what all we have in this box. He didn't even start it, so he didn't even tell me anything about it, but they're just gonna leave it on me. See, here's another thing that's just leaving on me. Okay, because mashed potatoes. It's okay because I'm gonna eat good. Corn. What's this? Dressing. Oh, so the turkey. So we gotta get this turkey started. Warm that up. Gravy. Cranberry. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. The fact that he didn't even bother to take it out of the box. He didn't even bother to take it out the box. He didn't even see what it was. Get the sweet potatoes. He didn't bother to take it out the box. He didn't bother to start it, anything. And it's Thanksgiving. So, but if you don't care, you don't want to be cordial or professional, I don't care. But I'm not petty like that. Yeah. Anyway, I'm about to start cooking this Thanksgiving dinner for my clients, and it's 2:25, and this is what I was left to do. So this is why I get on YouTube and I complain, even though my manager talking about I complain too much. Yeah, because people do stuff like this. They drop the box off and then they just leave it. And the manager, he just left a note on there, Thanksgiving meal for dinner, but you didn't even bother to open it up and see if this needed to be put in the oven. But all he want to do is just leave at 2. He's not concerned about anything else. Anyway, let me start this. So this is how it turned out. This is the green bean casserole, the dressing, the turkey. My rolls are toasted, burnt up. I got sweet potatoes. So this is what's for dinner. It's snowing outside on Thanksgiving. It stopped. I think it stopped snowing.
It stopped.
Yeah. Over here eating another piece of pumpkin pie. It's not sweet potato, but it's sweet and it's good. Holidays are low-key overrated. Everything is overrated, in my opinion. It's only important because we give it the value we place on it. It only means something when you give it value. I haven't had a drink since August. I had some wine in August. But I was telling my coworker that I want to buy some rum shata because it's just a good drink to drink around the holidays, like an eggnog or like Bailey's rum shata. I'm trying to resist the temptation because I actually low-key want to order me some rum shata tomorrow. Anyway, happy holidays. I'm not gonna we're still minding the business that pays us, and we rate Charles to nonsense and foolishness and negativity and low vibrational entities. We're paying those low vibrational entities no mind. Peace, love, and light. See you next time. Bye.